Alright, this is the Mazak FH680. Big machine. In great condition. Customer takes really good care of it. They just refurbished it. Beautiful giant spindle. Nice and clean in here. Not going to show you the existing pallet because they got secret stuff on it. But it's a very good machine in here. Ceiling is nice and clean. The outside. It's a big dog. Here's the operator load station. This is the car that goes up and down and brings the pallets in. There's the operator interface for the pallet. See, these are all the pallets. 6 pallet stations. Little coolant collection pans. There's the car. Another coolant collection. Smog hog up top. Here's the magazine. 80 station tool changer magazine. Serpentine. Here's the giant scrap conveyor. Goes under the machine. Picks up all the chips. This baby's running right now. It's their little coolant recycle system.